Ever wondered how those super-fast online stores handle thousands of transactions every minute? How do they keep track of inventory, process payments, and manage customer data without crashing? The secret sauce behind many of these high-performing businesses is a powerful platform called Lightspeed. But what is Lightspeed and how does it actually work? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the inner workings of Lightspeed, exploring its key features, and understanding how it empowers businesses to thrive in today's fast-paced digital world. Lightspeed isn't just one thing. It's a suite of cloud-based solutions designed to streamline operations for various types of businesses, from retail and restaurants to e-commerce and golf courses. Think of it as a central nervous system, connecting all the different parts of a business and allowing them to communicate seamlessly. At its core, Lightspeed is a point-of-sale POS system. Now, a POS system is more than just a cash register. It's the hub of all your sales transactions. When a customer makes a purchase, whether online or in-store, the POS system records the sale, updates inventory levels, and can even track customer preferences. Lightspeed takes this basic functionality and supercharges it with a range of advanced features. Let's start with retail. Imagine a clothing store. A customer brings a few items to the counter. The cashier scans the barcodes, and the Lightspeed system instantly pulls up the product information, including price, size, and available stock. It calculates the total, including any applicable taxes or discounts, and processes the payment, whether it's cash, credit card, or a mobile wallet. Simultaneously, the system updates the inventory, so the store owner knows exactly how many of each item are left. This real-time inventory management is crucial for preventing stockouts and overstocking. But Lightspeed for retail goes beyond just processing transactions. It also offers powerful tools for managing customer relationships. It can track customer purchase history, allowing businesses to personalize marketing campaigns and offer targeted promotions. It can also collect customer data, such as email addresses and phone numbers, which can be used to build loyalty programs and improve customer engagement. Now, let's shift gears to the restaurant industry. Lightspeed for restaurants offers a similar suite of features, but with some key differences. Imagine a busy restaurant during the dinner rush. Servers can use tablets to take orders at the table and send them directly to the kitchen. The system automatically updates the inventory of ingredients used in each dish. It can also manage table reservations, track customer preferences, and generate detailed reports on sales and performance. This streamlined workflow can significantly improve efficiency and reduce errors, leading to a better dining experience for customers. One of the most powerful aspects of Lightspeed is its cloud-based architecture. This means that all your data is stored securely in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This gives business owners the flexibility to manage their operations remotely, monitor sales in real time, and make informed decisions based on up-to-the-minute data. No more bulky servers or complicated software installations. Everything is handled in the cloud. Another key component of the Lightspeed ecosystem is its e-commerce integration. This allows businesses to seamlessly connect their online store with their physical store, creating a unified shopping experience for customers. For example, a customer can browse products online and then pick them up in-store, or they can purchase an item online and have it shipped directly to their home. This omni-channel approach is essential for reaching customers wherever they are and providing them with a convenient and personalized shopping experience. Lightspeed also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, such as accounting software, email marketing platforms, and loyalty programs. This allows businesses to customize their Lightspeed system to fit their specific needs and create a seamless flow of data between different applications. For example, sales data from Lightspeed can be automatically synced with accounting software, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. So, how does all this work together? Imagine a customer visiting a retail store that uses Lightspeed. They browse the shelves, find an item they like, and bring it to the counter. The cashier scans the barcode, which triggers a series of actions within the Lightspeed system. First, the system retrieves the product information from the database, including price, description, and available stock. Second, it calculates the total cost, including taxes and any discounts. Third, it processes the payment whether it's cash, credit card, or a mobile wallet. Fourth, it updates the inventory levels, deducting the sold item from the total stock. Fifth, it records the transaction in the sales history, which can be used for reporting and analysis. All of this happens in real time, seamlessly, and efficiently. Behind the scenes, Lightspeed uses a combination of technologies to make all this happen. It utilizes cloud computing to store and manage data, web technologies to create the user interface, and various programming languages and databases to handle the complex logic and data processing. It's a sophisticated system that has been designed to be both powerful and user-friendly. Of course, no system is perfect. Like any technology, Lightspeed can experience occasional glitches or downtime. However, Lightspeed is constantly evolving and improving its platform, adding new features and enhancing its performance. They also offer customer support to help businesses troubleshoot any issues that may arise. In summary, Lightspeed is a comprehensive platform that empowers businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer experiences, and drive growth. It's more than just a POS system. It's a complete business management solution that connects all the different parts of a business and allows them to work together seamlessly. From inventory management and sales tracking to customer relationship management and e-commerce integration, Lightspeed provides the tools that businesses need to succeed in today's competitive market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.